Did you know that fresh, clean laundry smell in your home might actually be a warning sign? Most of us associate that warm dryer scent with total cleanliness. But when high heat hits standard laundry pods, it triggers a chemical reaction that vents synthetic compounds directly into your air. If you've ever dealt with random morning headaches, sudden coughing, or mysterious skin irritation, your laundry room might be hiding a dangerous secret. Here's what's actually happening behind the scenes. Standard pods use concentrated synthetic fragrances and chemical binders designed to coat your clothes. When your dryer cranks up to high heat, those chemicals don't just stay on the fabric. They turn into fine airborne vapors. Every time you open that dryer door, or every time your dryer vents near an open window, you're breathing in concentrated respiratory irritants. The good news? You don't have to give up soft, great-smelling clothes to keep your indoor air safe. By switching out synthetic pods for fragrance-free detergents and using natural wool dryer balls with a drop of real essential oils, you get that same fresh feel without coating your lungs in chemicals. Did you know about the heat reaction with laundry pods, or do you still use them? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, hit that like button, and subscribe for more home health deep dives. I'll see you on the next investigation.